In this video we show you how to integrate target group and reach data into proDigi during the planning phase. Go to Planning, Dispo and Campaign Management to open your digital campaign for which you want to collect the audience data. In our example, we use the reach data from the Austrian Web Analysis ÖWA. Of course, we can also integrate any other study data such as daily digital facts or Mediapulse online data, as long as you have access to them. Click on the ÖWA button. In order to integrate the study data into the campaign, the publishers of the ÖWA must first be assigned to the publishers of your plan positions, as the terminology used within the agency is different from that used in the ÖWA data. Click on the Settings button. Here you can now enter the target group data, in our example women aged 20 to 39. As known from counting programs such as Zervice, you get the potential of this target group. In our example this would be 1,114,000. Further down you define the number and names of the flights of the campaign. Save them with OK. On the far left you can assign the individual positions to the different flights. Our campaign is divided into 2 flights. If necessary, you can add more campaigns to the reach analysis by clicking on the Campaigns button. The gross reach, net reach and opportunities to see are now listed for each position. To get the results broken down for our flights and for the entire campaign, click on Results. Here you can see at a glance which ad impressions, unique clients and reach data the campaign can generate. Finally, you can export this data as an Excel sheet with one click. If you also want to log the most important KPIs for each digital campaign, please contact us. We can customize the integration of the target group data according to your needs and your existing data. Subscribe to our channel now to never miss another mini tutorial to our software.